Today there is a topic of coverance. So basically, what is exactly coverance and what we really wanna do, otherwise, what we really need of coverance. So, how to approach the things that define coverance? That means approaching way is really matter about coverance. How to get, how to take, that's really important for life, but still there is a way of approaching the life in a way what we looking for. And when we wanna do something, when we wanna approach something, there is definitely a thing like a interest that's come under coverance. When we really deeply down in an interest that's come after interesty, that comes after interesty. So we need a intuition to manage the things like interesting, to avoid the term of interesting. And when we looking for implementation, then there is a thing like where to implement. If we want to really implement something, that's we need a thing to implement. So that's the science, spiritual, and many things that's come under implementation we wanna do for. Simply, implementation is not something just one of two. Implement is something thing we wanna act for this. Otherwise, we all know action is a magic word rather than just a word. Idea. So we have an idea about something we wanna implement, we wanna execute, and many more. Entertaining. We know whatever we do in a life, that's the way of dealing with life as a entertaining way. That's really matter a lot when we feel stress, suffocated, toxic as an environmental factor. So we really need an entertaining way to proceed the life. And we already discussed about coverance is the way of dealing with ideology, interaction, implementation, and intuition, even more interesting as a creative way. Relax and enjoy, even take a break when we feel tired, suffocated, toxicity, even more enjoyment. Whenever we enjoy the life, then we really need of a feeling like enjoyment. So we basically do as a enjoyment way is really matter long lasting until we going for a coverance way. Just communicate to execute. Whenever we wanna execute something, so there is a need of communication to execute anything. And firstly, the base bond of coverance is just clear from self and better understanding of self. And better understanding comes only when we concern about self and what to do. And when we sort out all the things related to be, then we really feel just a way of loving even like to be.